Hello. It was a wet start to Friday for many of us, but skies are already starting to brighten. The rain is chasing away, and for most of us, it'll be sunny spells this afternoon. A bit breezy, particularly so in the far northwest. There's a big swirl of cloud on the satellite image, but I really want to show you the big picture, because brewing out in the Atlantic, there's a lot of cloud out here, a lot of weather systems that potentially will bring us a wet and windy weekend. Before we get there, though, some sunny spells around this afternoon. Before that, though, we do have this line of rain, which, as I say, brought many of us a wet start to Friday. That rain, though, is pushing its way slowly but surely eastwards, and will continue to track eastwards. Brighter skies following in the west. There will be one or two showers, particularly in Northern Ireland and the far northwest, where it will be pretty blustery, and it'll take most of the day before it cheers up across parts of Lincolnshire and East Anglia. But for many, it will be sunny this Friday afternoon, and although a little fresher perhaps, temperatures still around average, getting into the mid to high teens. That rain should get chased away from East Anglia quite quickly this evening. No major problems on the roads if you are heading away this weekend. There will still be showers coming into the west overnight, some quite heavy ones in the far northwest, where it will remain rather blustery. Temperature-wise, well, we're dropping down to single figures in one or two places, but most towns and cities staying at 10 to 12 degrees. A fresh start then to Saturday. It should be, by and large, a sunny start, and actually most of the eastern side of England having a fine day. But there will be showers in the west, scattered at first, and then the cloud thickening up, and we'll see maybe some more persistent rain pushing into Wales and the far southwest of England through the afternoon and evening. To the north of that, to the east of that, yes, one or two showers, but say for quite a few, it'll be dry and a bright Saturday with some sunshine around. But this area of cloud and rain continues to work in through Saturday evening, and the winds also starting to pick up too. So it could turn pretty soggy on Saturday night, especially again in the west. And again, behind me, things are developing further areas of wet and windy weather. Again, if we take a look at the bigger picture across the Atlantic, it's a bit of a mess. Low pressure systems and these other little systems which have tropical air mixed in, moving towards the UK. Now, they could bring some quite heavy rain for a time on Saturday night and into Sunday morning across the south. And then as this system moves in across the north, more heavy rain, but also look at the isobars getting potentially very windy indeed. There are already warnings in force through the weekend into the early part of next week. Potential, as I say, for some problems from wind and rain. Keep up to date with the forecast. All the weather warnings are on the Met Office website.